Hello, my dear student. Today I am going to explain looping. Loop or iteration. Looping or iteration. So, looping. Why is it required? When we need to execute same statement repeatedly on the basis of an condition, then that is called looping. This statement, one statement, but computer will read repeatedly. जो स्टेटमेंट हमने डालेंगे, जो स्टेटमेंट हमने लिखेंगे, वो वाला स्टेटमेंट कंप्यूटर अगेन एंड अगेन एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वन कंडीशन. ओके, सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वर्किंग, one is loop is two types. First, definite loop and indefinite loop. Definite and indefinite. Definite loop means the loop will give the barricade. Barricade means 10 times, 20 times. That is definite. Yes, the statements which we are giving, computer you read 10 times. Computer you read 20 times. That is definite. Indefinite loop, that is depend on user. How many times you want to run the loop of the body. Okay, so any loop of the body, how many times you want to run, that is indefinite. So now see, except that loops are classified in two ways. Loops I said to definite loop, indefinite loop. Now loops are classified in two ways. One is entry control loop, and one is exit control loop. Okay, entry control loop and exit control loop. Under the entry control, one loop is there, for loop. Second is while loop. Under exit control, do while loop. Only one loop is there, do while. Okay. So now three loops we can use in Java programming: for loop, while loop, do while loop. But the program which will write by for loop, that we can write by while as well as do while also. See why it is called entry loop. Entry means first the conditions. If the condition is satisfied, if the condition is true, then the body of the loop will execute. In if statements I explained body. Okay, body means inside the loop the statement which we are giving. So here, if the conditions will true, then body of the loop will run. In that case, if the conditions if false, then also body of the loop once will execute. Okay, because in that case, why once will execute? At the do while loop, conditions will be at the last. In the entry control loop, conditions will be at the first. Okay, that two difference. Now the syntax for loop. Loop for what purpose? Okay, why we need loop? See, any statements, if I want to display the word computer on the screen, we give the statements computer by using system.out.println or system.out.print. Both the statements help us to display the values on the terminal screens. System.out.print, if I want to display it 10 times, you can say without loop we can do this. By how? 10 times we need to write same statement. 10 times we need to write same statements. अगर हम 10 times कंप्यूटर वर्ड को अगर डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं तो 10 times हम लोग system.out.println computer, system.out.println computer, system.out.println computer ऐसे करके 10 times लिखना है. It is, you can write it without loop because first you will write, then copy paste. 100 times it is very tough. It's very tough. Okay, then it's not possible. Then some programs. So what we will do? So avoid this. Okay, avoid this. We are using loop. We will do the smart work. What we will do? We will write one time, and then we will tell by using the loop computer, I want to display it 10 times. You do this one, then computer will do this. Computer, you is display the computer word 100 times. Computer will do this. For that, the loop is needed. For that, we are using loop in the program. So now see syntax for loop. Syntax for loop. Here for initial value, this is one statement, that's why semicolon. Here condition, then here increment or decrement operator. Here statement. So this is body, this is head of the loop. So now statements, how it works? Initial value, it comes here, then here, then here, like that way it will work. So statements means this is the body of the loop. So it will run on the basis of the conditions. If we want to give block, we can give it, but on the in loop, if we write one statement, then if you don't give block, no problem, but for two statements you have to give block, like if construct. In the if statements we are giving two statements, means you have to give a block, you have to give boundary. Okay, in that way also you can practice every time. When we are using loop, we will give boundary. Now see example of for loop. I said no, computer word if I want to display 10 times. For initial value, here we can declare int, suppose I equal to 1, this is initial value. That means the loop will start working from 1. Conditions, I am writing here 10, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus, here increment, decrement. Now I am writing here system dot println the word computer. This is fixed value. Now see this case, the word, now we are doing smart work by using loop. We are writing the statements one time, and now computer will display it 10 times. So loop is, that's why the loop we are using. See now how it will work. How computer will display it 10 times. See, initial value, when computer enter in the loop, okay, before that suppose class is there, suppose function is there, then after that this loop, computer will enter this way. Computer will read I equal to 1. I equal to 1. Then after that it comes here. Here the conditions. See, I said condition is very important. When I explained relational operator and logical operator, that time I said without conditions nothing will possible to write any programs. Okay. I less than equal to 10. See, 1 less than equal to 10. It is true or false? 1 less than 10, it is true. When it's true, then if entry control loop, in entry control loop, first will be the condition. If condition true, then computer will read the body. So this is the body. Here it is written body. So body will now execute. What statements? Here system.out.println computer. So the computer word will display on the terminal screens. Then if the working enter in the body, then that way computer cannot go. Okay, then the working then come back here. Increment or decrement operator. Then here we are writing I plus plus. We can write it plus plus I. Same. We can write I equal to I plus 1. Okay. We can write I plus equal to 1. Any one you can write. If I write I plus plus, if I write plus plus I, if I write I equal to I plus 1, if I write I plus equal to 1, that is also. So any one I plus plus. I plus plus means the value of I will be increased in the memory by 1. The value of I was in the memory, what? 1. Now next it will change. Now the value of I will be 2. After increment or decrement, it will come to the conditions. Then conditions, I equal to 2, because already 2 has increment, here 2 already, the value of I, it comes here. 2 less than equal to 10, it's true. When again it's true, it comes to the body. The word computer again will display. Again it return back here. Entering body means it comes here. Again it return back here. Then I equal to 3. 3 less than equal to 10. Again it's true. 3 less than equal to 10. True. The word computer again will display. Computer. I equal to 4. 4 less than equal to 10. True. That way computer display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When the value of I equal to 10, just 10 less than equal to 10. True. The word computer will display. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. The value of I 10. 10 less than equal to 10. True. It comes here. Display. Then it return back. Now see. When the value of I equal to 11. 11 less than equal to 10. False. 11 less than equal to 10. This is false. False means now it comes outside the loop body. It will work like this way. Clear? So now here it is written decrement operator. When decrement operator? See, initial value anything we can give. Maybe it is 1 to 10. If I give here it is 2, then 2 to 10. If I give it is 5, then 5 to 10. Like that way it will work. Now see, if I give it is 10. Now I want to display 10 times the word computer. That way also we can write 10 to 1 and 1 to 10. counting is same. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1. What? Here also computer count 1 to 10. Here also computer count 10 to 1. Means 10 times. 10 times. Both 10 times. Why? Now see, if I take here bigger value, I equal to 10. 10 to 1 I want to go. Then I greater than equal to 1. Then that time I minus. Okay. See, when initial value bigger, then 10 to 1 if I want to come, then we need to give greater than sign and minus. If it is increasing order, then less than sign, plus. If it is decreasing order, then greater than, then minus. That's why in the syntax I am giving increment and decrement both things. So this is working of for loop. So now same things, if I want to write by using while, I said the now syntax of while loop. Syntax, just you see the difference. Syntax will be different for loop, while loop, do while loop. Syntax. While loop first is the initial value. Then while. Inside the parenthesis, the condition. Okay. Then according to this, then statement. Then I plus plus or plus plus I. This. Maybe some statements. So here always you have to give the braces if there will be two statements. Clear? Initial value. Here see everything within a parenthesis. Initial value, conditions and increment, decrement. But here statements with the statements and increment or decrement operator, body, conditions inside the while, and initial value will be at the first. See that example. Same things. If I want to write by using do while. See here initial value I equal to, suppose int I equal to 1, while I less than equal to 10, system.out.println, suppose the word computer, system.out.println the word computer, I plus plus. See here this is also entry control. See when computer start reading, computer execute like this. First computer read this one, I equal to 1, then 1 less than equal to 10, true. See here the conditions. If true, then body. 1 less than equal to 10, true. If true, then body. Computer, the word computer will display on the screens. Then I plus plus, I will increase. After increasing of I, it comes again on the conditions. Already I 2 less than equal to 10, true. The word computer will come. I plus plus, I will be now 3 less than equal to 10, true. Then again body, computer, the word computer, I plus plus. 4 less than equal to 10, true, computer. So like that way, the value of I 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, computer. Okay, so 10 times now computer display. When it will execute, I equal to 11. That case see, 11 less than equal to 10, true or false? 11 less than equal to 10, false. Then it comes outside. So I said we will do the smart work by using loop. So this is one time we are writing And when we are giving the fixed value, then that is called definite loop. This is definite loop. 10 times only will run this one, not 100 times. If we give here 100, then it will run 100 times. So now only one statements we are writing, and we are telling computer, you read these statements repeatedly, then computer will read repeatedly. That is loop. Now this and this same. Okay, I said this, their syntax is different. See, if I want to write here I equal to 10, then here will be the greater than signs. Same, this also display 1 to 10 times. I equal to 10 if I take I, then greater than equal to 1. That you need to remember. Okay, if you give the bigger value and here is smaller, then minus. So 100 to 50 will come. First you are taking 100, here you will give the 50, minus you have to give. Okay, if you give here I minus means I equal to I minus 1, minus I minus equal to 1, same. Clear? So now this is entry control loop. So under the entry control, it display 10 times, display. Now exit control, see how it, what is the syntax of exit control? Exit control, do while. Now this syntax, see, do while syntax. First initial value, then do, then statement, then increment, here increment means here this is okay, increment or decrement. Yes. Now after that, while conditions, do to while, initial value, then do, then statement, then increment, decrement, while, then here see, notice one thing, this is conditions, then the state means semicolon, it as a statement. Here see initial value, here initial value, just follow this two, initial value, while, instead of while we are writing do, statements, increment, decrement, this is increment or decrement, then while, conditions, here not that, same things. Now example, as example, int I equal to 1, okay, initial value complete. Now do, now statement, system.out.println the word computer. Now increment or decrement, suppose I plus this. Now conditions, while I less than equal to 10, semicolon. See, this is also computer will display 10 times the word computer. See here, I equal to 1, when I 1, display computer, I plus, then after that computer will come to the conditions. 1 less than equal to 10, true, return back to the body. 1 less than 10, computer, 2 less than 3 less than 10 less than equal to 10. So this is also computer display 10 times. Now I said entry control, at the first conditions first, then the body. Here first body, then the conditions. Now example, see, if the condition is false, body of the loop will not execute in entry control. Here if the condition is false, once the body will execute. See how it is. Suppose it is 10, I am taking here, it is 11. So it is true or false? If I take it is 11, what results will come? Why it entry control and exit control, that I will now see. 10 less than equal to 11, it is false. False means computer will not display anything. The body of the loop will not execute, because here 10 greater than equal to 11, false, not execute. While loop, see, int I equal to 10, then while I greater than equal to 11, system.out.println computer I minus minus. See this case also, see, I equal to 10, 10 greater than equal to 11, false, 10 greater than equal to 11, false, so body will not execute. So that case also no output, this case also no output. But now this case, say I equal to 10, I, it is minus minus, I greater than equal to 11. See this case what will happen? This case no output, but here once you will get the output. See, I equal to 10, after that the body, I equal to 10, body, the word computer display on the screen. Then I minus minus 9, I minus minus means 9, 9 greater than equal to 11, false, outside of the loop. So what I said, if the condition is false, once loop of the body of the loop will execute. This is difference. Okay, but here see, it's not display, it is display. See here I am writing. So this is entry control and exit control. In exit control, once loop, body of the loop will execute. एक बार read होगा ही होगा. ओके, अगर कंडीशंस फॉल्स है, बिकॉज कंडीशन एट द लास्ट, इसलिए एक बार बॉडी एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा. इसमें बॉडी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा अगर कंडीशंस फॉल्स है तो. ओके, यही है डिफरेंस. अभी देखो, जैसे यहाँ डायरेक्ट हम लोग लिखे हैं, यहाँ हम दे देते 1, यहाँ दे देते I. देखो आउटपुट चेंज हो गया. यहाँ I इक्वल टू 10, I 10 डिस्प्ले हो गया. इसके बाद I माइनस माइनस 10 माइनस 1, 9 डिस्प्ले हो गया. I विल ब्रिंग, इसके बाद 8, इसके बाद 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. इससे प्रिंट लाइन आफ्टर लाइन, लाइन बाय लाइन इट विल डिस्प्ले. सेम ये भी देखो, 10 greater than equal to 1, instead of computer we are giving here variable I minus minus, that also same output. 10 greater than equal to 1, yes, true. 9 greater than equal to 1, true. 8 greater than equal to 1, true. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 डिस्प्ले हो गया. इसमें भी देखो, I इक्वल टू 10 दे दिया. सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंटलन I माइनस माइनस I ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1. फर्स्ट 10, yes 10, 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. देखो यहाँ जब 1 आएगा, 1 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 तो ट्रू यहाँ पर आएगा. 1 प्रिंट हुआ, 1 प्रिंट होने के बाद I minus minus means 0. 0 greater than equal to 1, false. यहाँ पर भी same. 1 के बाद 1 minus minus. 1 print 1 minus minus means 0. 0 greater than equal to 1, false. Outside. Same here. 1 print out completed. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 greater than equal to 1, false. It comes outside. So this is the working loop. Okay, if we get instead of print ln, we will give print. Instead of print ln, we give print. Then output it comes. Suppose I plus give here suppose comma. Then output comes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it will come like that way. Print same line. Here also if you give print 10, 9, 8, 7, there also same print give 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Clear? If I write here I equal to I minus 2, then what results will come? If I give I equal to I minus 2, see that 10 greater than equal to 1, true, 10, comma 10 minus 2, what comes? 8. 8 greater than equal to 1, true, 8, comma 8 minus 2, 6 greater than equal to 1, 6, comma 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 greater than equal to 1, false side. So output I 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. So increment or decrement operator, maybe it is by 1 or maybe by 0. Suppose I want to display without here giving I equal to I minus 2, maybe I plus plus, by using third variable. Okay, see in this case what comes? All odd even number comes. Okay, so here also it can comes, here also it comes. So just little difference what? Just same program, these programs. Okay, same program we can write by while, do while, for loop. For loop. So now choice is yours. Which loop is maximum use? For loop. Okay, for loop is simple because in one line the statement is one line. It is very easy to remember. While loop and do while loop little complicated for you because while loop first initial value that you need to remember. Okay, then the conditions, then statements, maybe statement at the last, maybe statement at the first, then increment, then decrement. It is depend on. While loop also same, but for loop is very easy. See, by mistakes you are giving here 10 and you are giving here less than 10 less than equal to 1, true or false? 10 less than equal to 1, this is false, no output. You are giving 10 greater than equal to 1, but by mistakes you are giving plus signs. So now what will happen? 10 I plus 2, how much? 10 comma I 10 plus 2, 12 comma 14 comma 16 comma 18 comma 20 never will stop. This is called infinity loop. Okay, these loops you cannot terminate now. Okay, the loop will run continuously. The body of the loop will run continuously. This type of loop is called infinity loop. By using for loop we can write this is also your infinity loop. No statements, nothing. I am writing here system.out.println the word computer. Now loop never stop. Run continuously to turn. Okay, so in while loop, if you give at the while, inside the while, direct true you are giving, so what will happen? When you will give inside the while true, it is infinity loop, never will stop, always true. Then we need to give statements to stop that. In loop we use two jump statements. Two jump statement, one is break, another one is continue. So two jump statements we will use in loop, in while also, in if statements also. Clear? So in the loop you can solve any kinds of series program. You can display maybe all prime number, maybe you display the step value of number, then you can write the program by like magic number, like automorphic number, like all scientific number like that. Okay, Harshad number, neon number, Niven number, perfect number. So clear? And then twisted prime number, okay, unique number, there are lots. Okay, so that also programs I will upload. So there are so many programs also I will upload on the basis of loop. Okay, if you will be benefited, just send me comments also. Then if your problems, that means any programs you not understand, you must give the comments, say this one you will upload for that program, for that statements I will explain and upload that video. But one thing you remember, you must subscribe to tell other student also. Okay, and you must like, at least you give like. Okay, already you subscribe already I think, but like it, my teaching how, that also you give a comment. Okay, bye. Today up to this much. Okay.